Hey y'all, we stayed at the Anderson Ocean Club and Spa. It's a decent hotel. Self-parking is in the back of the Gold Garage. I believe it was $15 a day. They also have valet parking for, I believe, $25 a day. So we stayed here in room 809. Honestly speaking, the room itself was a bit dated, in my opinion. I'm not sure how well the washer and dryer does. We didn't use it. We didn't try it out. Housekeeping doesn't come every day like scheduled, but if you need extra towels or anything like that, they'll bring it up to you. You just have to ask for it. The water pressure was not the best. Excuse all of our things. We kind of put everything out before I recorded this video. I am a coffee drinker, but I didn't try the coffee in the room, so I can't say if it's good or not. The room did come with a lot of plates and utensils, so that's a plus for anybody that uses the provided things in the room. So I kind of just go through and show everything that's in the cabinets. So if you don't want to see that part, you could just fast forward, because I'll be showing everything that's in the cabinets over the next few seconds. And for some reason, that would not open for me, but it wasn't anything down there. Now, this hotel does come with a inside pool as well. There is also a hot tub right beside the inside pool, and the water inside the pool wasn't warm. It was quite cold. There also is a lazy river also. But I just want to say thank you all for watching my video. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.